Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best robotic lawn mowers in 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Robotic Robotic Lawn Mower. 23.6-inch cutting width, smart navigation, app control, auto height adjustment, IPX6 waterproof. Revolutionize your lawn care with the Robotic Robotic Lawn Mower. Featuring CTOF decimeter level navigation and grid path planning, it delivers 300% faster mowing and 99.7% coverage, even on rough, uneven terrain. Control cutting height remotely with the app, track real-time mowing progress, and schedule tasks from anywhere. Built to conquer 45 degrees slopes with anti-skid tires and IPX6 waterproofing, it even auto-pauses in rain and detects boundary wire breaks for easy repairs. Enjoy 70 minutes of cutting per charge with automatic return-to-base charging. Plus, Robotic backs it with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. Whether your lawn is hilly, rugged, or expansive, the Robotic mower gets it done quickly, smartly, and reliably. Would you like a second version that's a little more energetic, or homeowner-focused too? Number 2. Almo Smart Robot Lawn Mower. GPS dual positioning, app control, 7.5-inch cutting width, IPX5 waterproof, 1.25 acres weekly coverage. Tame your lawn effortlessly with the Almo Smart Robot Lawn Mower. Using dual GPS positioning and boundary wires, it stays exactly where you want it, even across complex yards and narrow channels. Its powerful off-road motors, rain sensor, and IPX5 waterproofing ensure reliable performance in any weather. Through the Almo app, you can easily schedule cuts, track progress, and set modes. Mowing up to 1.25 acres per week. With a whisper-quiet design, it keeps your lawn pristine without disturbing the peace. Plus, safety features like lift, tilt, and bumper sensors protect your mower and your property. With professional US-based support and an easy setup, Almo brings smart, stress-free lawn care to your home. Want me to also whip up a second version that's a little more rugged or tech-savvy? Number 3. Robotic T1200 Pro Robotic Lawn Mower. Wire-free setup AI, obstacle avoidance, app control, eco-friendly mowing. Reimagine lawn care with the Robotic T1200 Pro, the boundary wire-free robotic mower made for smart, effortless mowing. Set it up in just 5 simple steps, then control everything from cutting height to no-go zones, right from the Robotic app. Thanks to real-time AI obstacle detection, it avoids people, pets, and garden obstacles, stopping instantly for ultimate safety. Virtually map and edit your lawn anytime without messy rework. Designed to care for your lawn and the environment, the lightweight T1200 Pro delivers precise 1-centimeter cuts, natural fertilization, and quiet, emission-free performance. Customize schedules, zones, and edge trims for a healthier, greener yard. Plus, with 24/7 dedicated support, Robotic keeps you covered every step of the way. Number 4. SOYUS Robotic Lawn Mower. Smart app control, auto recharge, anti-theft system. For lawns up to 1,400, simplify lawn care with the SOYUS Robotic Lawn Mower. Built for yards up to 1,400. Easily connect via Wi-Fi and app control to set mowing times, zones, and even spot mowing with just a tap. Its anti-theft system locks the mower if moved away from a charging post, securing your investment. When the battery runs low or rain is detected, the mower automatically returns to recharge, thanks to its smart sensors and IPX5 waterproof design. DIY installation is straightforward, with full support and guidance available. Everything you need is included: charging station, boundary wire, hooks, fixing nails, and more. Enjoy a lush, neatly maintained lawn without the hassle. The future of effortless mowing is here with SOYUS. Number 5. Sunseeker V3 Robot Lawn Mower. Vision AI navigation, no boundary wire needed, pet-friendly multi-zone control. Meet the Sunseeker V3 Robot Lawn Mower, the future of effortless lawn care. With Vision AI technology, there's no need for boundary wires or complex setups, just one click, and it's mowing. Smart algorithms detect over 160 obstacles, adapt to complex terrain, and cut precisely along edges with adjustable heights between 1.57 to 3.2 inches. Conquer slopes up to 22 degrees with powerful rear-wheel drive. Plus, it's pet-friendly with a whisper-quiet 55 dB operation. Manage multiple zones easily using magnetic tags and virtual boundaries for seamless coverage. Whether you have tight spaces, stone paths, or broad lawns, the V3 keeps everything trim and tidy, all without disturbing your day. The smart, stress-free way to a perfect lawn is here.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.